In this video, I'm going to show you how to set timer on Instagram Reels. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Instagram app, then swipe over to the right and here select a reel to start recording a reel. And now in order to set a timer, all you have to do is right here hit at that timer icon. Now there you can drag it to choose how long that clip will be. You can set the clip duration up to 30 seconds, and also there where it says countdown you can switch between 3 seconds and 10 seconds countdown. I'll set it for 3 seconds and then I can just stop right here at set timer. And now all I have to do in order to start recording a video is just hit right here at that shutter icon, and after 3 seconds countdown video starts recording. As you can see, I'm not have to hit and hold down record button and the video is being recorded right now. I can manually stop it and then I can edit this video as I normally do. I can hit on next, I can add there some effects or stickers or whatever. Then I can hit on next and share this reel with my followers. I hope it helps you guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe.